Hey there, I'm Darian, one of the co-founders of Ply, and welcome to your onboarding. We're so excited that you decided to choose Ply as your inventory management and procurement platform. Over the next 30 to 45 days, we're going to be working really closely together to onboard you and your entire team to Ply. We'll work together to get your catalog in order, groomed, and your inventory counted. The plan that you have in front of you will help guide us through each and every step of your onboarding as efficiently as possible. These tasks are designed to help us keep us on track, to meet your goals, and to learn Ply at the same time. You'll get reminders when things are due from you and your team can interact with each and every task. And should you have any questions, you can place them inside of each task. So make sure you invite everyone on your team to Ply onboarding as well. You can do so by clicking the button in the upper right-hand corner and inviting your team. The first couple of tasks we're going to be doing together. We're going to have a kickoff call with your team to get you set up, and we're going to begin to put a schedule in place for your goals. Now, you have an entire team behind you to help you from onboarding to customer success to purchasing. So if there's anything that we can do to help make your onboarding experience smoother, just please let us know. Now, you can see we have a lot of work to do, so let's get started.